Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious flavorsome pumpkin soup. Okay, so I'm going to start by preparing my vegetables. For some extra flavour, I'm going to add some celery. I've washed it already. I'm just going to use one stick and I'll chop that into medium-sized slices. I'm going to use one medium-sized white onion. I'll peel and slice that up as well. That's all sliced up. I'll add that to my celery. So here I've got 3 cloves of garlic that I'm going to peel. I'm just going to roughly chop it. It doesn't have to be too fine because it will boil out in the soup anyway. Next I'll add 2 carrots. I've already peeled them, so I'm just going to take the ends off and I'll slice those into medium-sized pieces. Now for the pumpkin. I'll start by scooping out the seeds with a spoon. The skin of the pumpkin is quite tough, so I find it easier just to cut it a bit smaller and alternate between a knife and a peeler. Now the pumpkin is all peeled, I'm just going to cut them into medium-sized pieces and give them a good wash. To a saucepan, I add 1 tablespoon of oil. I get that nice and warm before I add my onions, celery and garlic. I just want to sweat them off under a low heat. I'm not really trying to get them brown, just more sweating out all those delicious juices. Now that the onions have sweat down, I've added my carrots. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Now I throw in the pumpkin and I give everything a good stir, coating all the vegetables in the lovely flavours and spices. I've already boiled the kettle at this point and now I'm crushing in 1 vegetable stock cube. So now I'll add some boiling water and stir. I'm going to place the lid on, but I will keep an eye on it in the meantime because I don't want the vegetables to overcook. So after simmering for about 12 minutes with the lid on, the vegetables are lovely and soft. Now it's time to take it off the heat and blend. Now that my soup is perfectly smooth, it's time for me to season. I'm just going to add some white pepper and salt. For a creamy taste, I'm adding some coconut milk. So there it is, delicious pumpkin soup. Nice and simple but full of flavour. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you for watching. For more delicious recipes like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.